Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing fine and title सब लोग पढ़ चुके हो कि आज की वीडियो में क्या होने वाला है. Well, you all know कि मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम अपना हेयर कलर किया था और उसके बाद से ही मुझे इतने सारे हेयर प्रॉब्लम्स होने लग गए हैं. I've shared a detailed video about it and you can check it out after watching this video. Now, while I really love this hair color on me and I love to do like different hairstyles on my colored hair, but I have started to notice that none of my hairstyle is lasting for a longer time because of my hair damage and coloring, and that is just so annoying. It has gotten really hard to make a hairstyle last for even 2 to 3 hours. मतलब अभी मैंने recently एक wedding attend करी थी and this is the hairstyle that I did. Like I freaking heat styled my hair and 2 घंटे के बाद this is what happened, and I was so worried about having to style my hair every single day and the heat damage that it would cost, and जो extra time लग रहा था वो तो छोड़ ही दो. But after doing a lot of research, I got my hands on this product. ये है Epitight का Style and Hold Now. This product claims कि ये आपको bouncy curls देगा, and not only that, it will make any hairstyle last for up to 48 hours. कुछ ज़्यादा ही बड़े claims नहीं हो गए. So I have to check it out and try for myself if it actually works or not. तो चलो इसको half side hair पे try करके देखते हैं and we'll compare and see if there is any difference or not. And मैं अपना review and verdict video के end में दूंगी after we have done the test. So yes, if you are interested, keep on watching this video till the very end. But if you're new to my channel, take out a moment, hit that red subscribe button. Now without any further blabbering, let's just dive right into the video. So these two are our test pieces. इस साइड में स्टाइल एंड होल्ड यूज करूंगी, इस साइड में कुछ भी यूज नहीं करूंगी. So let's see if it works or not. So यहाँ पे मैं फटाफट से पूरा इसे स्प्रे कर लूंगी अच्छे से. And now I will comb it through ताकि प्रोडक्ट मतलब evenly distribute हो जाए. By the way, it also claims to give you heat protection up to 380 degrees Celsius. I did a test and you can clearly see the results on your screens. I mean that is impressive. आपको अलग से heat protection यूज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. And now I'll just use my tongs to curl my hair. Nice, the curl has turned out really good. Now इस side पे I've just applied my usual heat protection spray. उसके अलावा मैंने कुछ भी यूज नहीं किया है. So I'll just curl my hair just like I would normally do. Okay. And this is the curls on both the sides. Clearly you can see the difference कि ये वाला curl कितना ज़्यादा defined है और ये कितना undefined है. इसमें इधर उधर से बाल निकल रहे हैं. Like clearly you can see the difference. I am super impressed till now, but we are not stopping there. Let's put it to the real test. मुझे देखना है कि ये actually आपके curls को कितना bouncy बनाता है. तो मैं दोनों side को pull करूंगी and you can see I've pulled both the sides equally with tension. Now I leave and see the difference. Okay, this side is still intact and the curl is as it is, while this side the curl has already started losing definition and you can see it has gone all wonky. I didn't expect this one product to do such wonders for my hair. Now to make the regular side stay, I would have to use a hairspray. This hairspray, like all the others, make your hair sticky and crunchy. वो जो hairspray वाली feeling होती है. And the very next day, I'll have to wash my hair, obviously. But ये side का ना मुझे यही चीज बहुत पसंद आ रही है. That look, the curl is bouncing back. The curl is holding its shape. And my hair is very smooth. You can see there is no crunch, no stickiness whatsoever, and the curl is still intact. I am obsessed. Oh my god, I'm losing my mind right now. My hair does not feel dry, क्रंची, प्लास्टिकी, ऐसे विग वाली फीलिंग बिल्कुल नहीं आ रही. मेरे बाल जैसे नेचुरली हैं वैसे ही फील हो रहे हैं. मुझे लगा था कि हेयर कलर करने के बाद ना मेरे बालों ने वो अपने मैजिकल एबिलिटीज खो दी है टू होल्ड और हीट स्टाइल, बट दिस प्रोडक्ट एक्चुअली गिव दैट बैक टू मी एंड आई एम नेवर गोना स्टॉप यूजिंग दिस प्रोडक्ट. आई मीन एक ही प्रोडक्ट में हीट प्रोटेक्शन, फ्रिज कंट्रोल एंड होल्डिंग अप योर हेयर स्टाइल विदाउट दैट क्रंची फीलिंग. व्हाट एल्स डू यू नीड? Like what else? Okay guys, now I have to go क्योंकि मुझे ये वाला साइड वॉश करके दोबारा रीस्टाइल करना है and I'll curl my whole hair. Of course using the Epitight Style and Hold spray because I guess my hair is just not able to hold this crunchy mess anymore. But before going, I will link this product in the description box for you guys. So if you're interested, you can check it out. And trust me, you are gonna love this product and thank me later. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked today's video and found it helpful. If so, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I shall see you super soon in my next video. Till then stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.